Hey guys, so today I'll be changing the charging port of the Sony Xperia XA1 Ultra. So recently it's been having some problems while taking charge. So right now it's like completely powered down because it's out of charge, as you can see here. Yeah. So basically if I connect a wire, it only charges at certain angles. Like right now it charged for like a second, it's charging right now, but if I change the angle too much it stops charging. So seems like there's an issue with the charge port. So yeah. So this is my first time taking a phone apart. Have the replacement part over here, and I got myself a toolkit thing. So hopefully this is enough. And I'm gonna use this hair blower thing. So basically this should warm up the adhesive around the back cover to make it easier to pry open the back. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the SIM tray first, and the SIM card. Okay, I'd actually recommend doing this before you do the heating, but I think it's okay. Okay, so it's already starting to open, which is a good sign, I'm guessing. Continuing on, so the side is an aluminum frame and the top is plastic, which I can tell when I'm taking it apart. Yeah, it's like scraping the plastic a tiny bit, so if you're not careful you might end up damaging it quite a bit. Yeah, but I think the heat seemed to help, so I'm gonna go and do that a bit more. More heat. Yeah, this side's good. Yeah, I don't know if you hear that, but that's the glue. There's a lot of glue underneath. So I'm gonna work at getting this out slowly because I don't want to snap it. It feels like it's gonna snap if I do this too quickly. Slow and steady. Okay, got the bottom down. Don't want to get too excited and just break the top. Oh, it's pulling at some internal parts. That can't be good. Voila, it is out. There is a lot of adhesive on this thing. No wonder it was such a pain to get this open. Okay, so there are 6 screws that I need to remove if I'm not wrong. I just need to find the right screwdriver from the toolkit. Looks like it might be this one. Nope. Nope. Third one is the charm. Okay. So don't lose them, obviously. They seem to be of the same size, all of them. 1 down, 5 to go. Oh, yeah, you're probably going to want to disconnect the battery. So the battery is disconnected. Now we can continue working away at the screws. Okay, then we can use this thing to just pull this out of here. Yep, and it is out. Then we disconnect all of the wires, including the vibration motor and some other wires. Okay, that one is out. That one is out. Sheesh. Now we're good. Then this whole thing should come out. Oh wait, no, the battery first. Yeah, the battery connector has to come out first. Now that's out. Now this whole thing should come out. And it is out. So this is the old port. I think it's around 2 years old. It's not really taking the charge that well. Hopefully the new port can solve that issue. It's quite dusty as well around the board. Okay, so here is the new board, or new charging port. Time to put that in after a quick wipe so I can get rid of some dust. Maybe get in there with a toothpick as well, just to clean the plastic. Well, let me just get this new one out. It looks good. Yeah, so you have to hear it, like, you have to wait for a click. Then you know it's in. Okay. Then this thing goes back on top. Maybe a quick wipe first. Okay, moment of truth. I'll plug the battery back in and attempt to charge this guy. So I'm not going to completely close it because I still need to check if it's working. So, moment of truth. It's charging. Yay. Worked. Yeah, it's not wobbling like the last one. This port is definitely much better than the last one, much better than this one. So it's charging consistently. I'm not sure how strong the battery is and whether I need to replace that or not. We'll be able to tell in a few days. But yeah, overall, I think it was successful. So, I don't know, it took a little bit, but it was alright. Less than 40 minutes, according to my camcorder recording time. So I'm just going to snap the back on, put my case on, and then charge it. And it feels much sturdier when it's inside as well, when the charger is inside. Yeah, and everything snapped back as well. I didn't damage any of the connector things. Then the final step would be popping back in my SD card and my SIM card, which I will do right now. There goes my SD card. Oh, and I dropped my SIM. Nice. And in goes my SIM.